everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Shamika Jones here. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also ring that bell so you get all post notifications from me every time I drop a video. So just stay tuned, guys, because I'm gonna talk about or show you I'm gonna show you what I ate for my first day of being a raw vegan. It's not a challenge, it's a commitment, because I'm gonna do it for 10 days anyway. Beyond that, I don't know, but just stay tuned. Be right back, guys. So guys, I usually break my fast with a handful of nuts, and shortly after that, maybe about a half an hour, I made my shake or a smoothie. So I took 3 kiwi, a frozen banana, and a handful of blueberries, frozen blueberries. And to that I added a couple of tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use any kind of sugar, agave works, monk fruit, stevia, and then I sprinkle about half of a tablespoon of flaxseed meal in there. Start to blend everything together, and then to that I add a couple of handfuls of baby kale leaves. And so there it is. I don't even know why I filled it up that much. It makes no sense. But I did, and I just dressed it with some slivers of almond, the blueberries, and sliced kiwi. And there it is. And I sprinkle the rest of the flaxseed meal on top. Okay, y'all. So, hey, I'm back. And we are going to make, it's kind of a snack, but it's really like my dinner, if you will. I'm going to make an avocado kimchi boat. It's kind of like a snack, and I'll probably be having some fruit leading up to bed before my cutoff time. This is not as ripe. I have the rest of my avocados in a bag on my windowsill to ripen a little bit more because they were not ripe, but this is the ripest one. But I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna make avocado kimchi boat. So I'm going to open up the avocado, mix it up with the put the kimchi in there. I probably have to cut the kimchi up a little bit because I'm not sure how big the pieces are. And just make a little snack, right? Season it up or whatever. Now, kimchi is fermented, and so fermented foods are really great for the digestive tract and digestion. It helps replenish your good gut flora, or replenish your good gut bacteria. So because you might be questioning about, oh, it's fermented, oh, isn't it acidic, and all that type of stuff. Yes, it is, but this is something that's very beneficial for us because of that reason. So kimchi, I've never had it before, at least I don't think I've ever had it. I've had Asian food, is very common in Asian cuisine. Don't know even really whether I've had it or not, to be honest with you, but knowingly I haven't. But we're gonna get started, so let's watch. Oh, I wanted to say this this idea was inspired by Keisha Rose. I hope I got it right. She went on a 30-day raw vegan challenge, and so I got this idea from her because I love avocados, and this was something that was new to me. So I was like, let's give it a try and see. All right, so we're gonna check it out now. I just have to say, not as ripe was a complete understatement. This was, it wasn't ready, but I did what I could, guys. And when I added the kimchi, some of the liquid helped it mash up. Obviously, ideally, you would have a ripe or use a ripe avocado. Hey, so since you're still watching, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you ring that bell for all post notifications. Guys, the last thing that I drank, it was one of the green giant juices. I will link the video to the recipe or for the recipe in the description box below. Okay, y'all. Day 1, raw vegan commitment, breaking my fast after 21 days. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna talk to you all about what I've been feeling. I don't know what it is, but I've just been feeling a little lightheaded or jittery, or I'm kind of shaky. I have no idea what that is, because maybe I waited to, I don't know. I hadn't felt like that since like maybe after the 4th day of the 21-day fast. But today wasn't too bad. You guys, when I tell you the highlight of my night was that avocado kimchi boat. Big ups to Keisha Rose. I'm actually going to tag her in this, because Keisha, you did that. You are my new best friend. I'm telling you, thank you so much for your mission, for your purpose, for because you are helping a sister out. Like, seriously, I'm so glad that I came across your videos, because it's truly helping me with just fresh ideas and things of that nature, because I'm vegan, but it's like raw vegan, sometimes you don't count up like what in your diet is actually raw, because it's just like raw vegan, like I ain't cooking nothing. Say what? No, I need some hot dogs. I always have something raw at least at 2 meals a day, so I'm like, I'm already doing like half of that. So, but big ups to her. Thank you so much. When I tell you that avocado kimchi boat was fire, it was fire. Like, try that, hands down, y'all. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out. But you're gonna be seeing day 2. I'm gonna be real chill, relax or whatever, but I'm really challenging myself as well, just to be consistent with giving you guys content, you know, on a day-to-day basis. I never really thought about doing it from day to day, because sometimes my days are just like juicing, you know what I mean, or shakes, or you know what I mean, or salads. So sometimes I think that stuff is kind of like boring, but I figured it could help the community, you know, just by showing someone who's actually doing it and being an example. We need each other, like, definitely. And I always put my own little spin on things or whatever, and so it's always good to just share that with other people. And so, you know, come on the journey with me. So if you haven't done so already, I don't know why you haven't, but go ahead and subscribe, like and share my videos. If you feel it could be a godsend, a blessing to somebody else, well, bless somebody, you know, hit them up in the inbox or a text message or whatever the case may be, just so they can see, hey, this is a sister who's trying to do that. But this is also part of my weight loss journey. I'll talk about a little bit about my purpose and reasoning for being vegan in another video. I actually had to record the video for the 21-day fast, which I should have done before this one, but that's neither here nor there. I've done it already, right? So I'm committing to this. But anyway, day one, not too bad, except for like maybe the lightheadedness and the jitters, kind of. I don't know. If some of y'all kind of know what this is, put them in the comments below. Let me know. Maybe I need to go get checked out, but I ain't going to no hospitals right now because you know what's going on, right? So but maybe I need to check my electrolytes or something. I don't know, it could be. But anyway, I'm looking forward to day 2. I'm coming back, y'all, so I got 9 more days and I might do more. I don't know, you know, if I feel like, you guys tell me if it's valuable to you, let me know. All right, so anyway, talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.